How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor ZX-180 linear surface mount and under mirror warning light. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your ZX-180 with all of your mounting hardware here. So you'll have your under mirror mount, you'll have your L brackets, which will attach to the sides of your unit, and then you'll also have your surface mount flange as well. So here I went ahead and attached our under mirror mount, and you'll see the cables will run up through the bracket, and then you'll have your back attachment piece here. And then here I went ahead and attached our surface mount flange, and this is perfect if you're using our license plate bracket or single or dual static brackets or anywhere you need a surface mount on your vehicle. And then here I have our L brackets, which I went ahead and pre-attached to the sides of my unit. So now let's go ahead and go over the cable functions. So you'll see 6 cables coming out of the back of your unit. You'll have your red power cable, your black ground cable, your yellow flash pattern cable, your green steady burn override cable, your white sync cable, and your blue alternate sync cable. Now let's go over some of our color options. So here I brought a red blue, an amber clear, and a green clear color example, but we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And since these units are multicolor, you'll notice that they're flashing back and forth between their primary and secondary colors. Or you have the ability to run your primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns here, but each of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them with memory recall. And since these are ZX-180s, you'll notice that you have really solid front and side access visibility. So now let's go over how to sync our units. So the first step in syncing your units is to get your units on the same flash pattern. Now you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns here, so the way I like to do this is to tie my yellow flash pattern cables together and then hold those to the positive connection for a couple seconds. And then you'll see your units go to steady burn. And then go ahead and tap them one more time and you'll see your units are on the same flash pattern, but your units aren't in sync yet. The next step here will be to tie your white sync cables together and then go ahead and turn your units off and then turn them back on. And then you'll see your units are in sync. And then you can go ahead and tap your flash pattern cables and change patterns, and you'll see your units will stay in sync. Now let's go over how to alternate sync. So to alternate sync, you'll want to follow those same syncing steps. Now the next step here is to program a group A and a group B. So I'll go ahead and call this unit my group A and this unit my group B. So I'll take the blue cables from my group A and I'll hold those to the positive connection for a couple seconds, and you'll see my units go into group A programming. And then I'll go ahead and take the blue cables from my group B and hold those to the positive connection for a few more seconds, and you'll see those skip over the group A programming and go to the group B programming. Now once you've done this, you can go ahead and shut your units off, and then you can turn them back on, and then you'll be in alternate sync. Now once you're in alternate sync, you have 3 pattern speeds to choose from, and since this is a multicolor unit, you'll have 3 speeds in multicolor, 3 speeds in your primary color, and 3 speeds in your secondary color. So here we're in our multicolor in slow. If you tap your flash pattern cables to the positive connection, you'll switch to your medium, and then you have fast, and then you'll have 3 speeds in your primary color. And since this is a red-blue unit, red will be my primary color, so I'll have 3 speeds here, so slow, medium, fast, and then I'll have 3 speeds in my secondary color. And again, this is a red-blue unit, so my secondary color is blue, and I'll have slow, medium, fast. And then once you get through those, you'll be back into your multicolor alternate sync speeds. So that covers our MultiColor ZX-180 linear surface mount and under mirror warning light. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.